Acknowledge and recognize.
If you don't have one of your own and you'd like one, right? Suggested donation? Suggested donation is take one out of the box and name it as your own.
Did Grandpa do this last year?
Here, get down this.
Cafe Royale, Hawaii 2, not cross 72, less, snow had less, 2 of them for RR, 2 for Big Brother, 2 for Isabel, 2 for Vasi Omega, 2 for Ivanetti, 2 for Humry Gold, 2 for Bahama Mama, 2 for Diva, 2 for Joey Winnie, 1 for Joey Winnie, 2 for I'm a Hottie.
And then we'll come back here and we're going to give 4 Empires another shot.
Yeah!
So we'll give that a shot and then we're going to come back in, cake and ice cream. So that's our plan. All right. So on your seats.